The first step to install the unit is to connect the 3 wires of the wiring harness. To connect the wires, first turn the key to the on position without starting the engine. To find the throttle positioning sensor, TPS, locate the throttle body, and the TPS is usually across from it. The TPS will have 3 to 6 wires. Use the voltmeter to locate the TPS signal wire. It will have a voltage range between 0.2 and 1.0 with the throttle closed and approximately 4.0 volts with the throttle wide open. The voltage will vary proportionally with the opening of the throttle body. Connect the blue wire of the wiring harness to the TPS sensor with a splice connector. Red splice connectors are supplied with the unit. Put the splice connector around the TPS wire. Slide the blue wire into the splice connector as far as it can go, and then use pliers to clamp it down. Be very careful. Make it very snug. When done, close the top, then the splicing is all finished. Now we need to put power to the unit. To connect the power source, you have a red positive wire and a black negative wire. Connect the red wire to the positive terminal of the battery. Use a wrench to loosen the bolt and then be sure to tighten it up. It is important for the power to the unit not to be interrupted during operation. For the negative wire, you can attach it to the negative battery terminal or a common ground on the vehicle. Again, ensure that you securely tighten the wire. The unit itself needs to be mounted away from severe vibration or moisture. The frame of the car usually absorbs most of the vibration, so it isn't the best place to put the unit. Avoid the frame of the vehicle and where the hood may close. An ideal location is directly on top of the air cleaner, if there is enough space between the air cleaner and the hood of the car. Be sure to clean the surface that you want to attach the unit. Connect the wiring harness to the unit and then be sure to have the clip on the bottom. Straighten any excess wires as neatly as you can. Use the supplied Velcro to attach the unit to the area you want. Turn on the engine. When you look at the unit, you will see the voltage and the readout when the engine is on. Check to make sure it's between 0.2 and 1.0. When you're sure the unit is correctly installed, check to see the highest reading is. In this instance, the highest reading is 0.4. Now you need to add 0.5 by pressing the setting button and using the up and down arrows to reach the desired number. In this case, the highest idle reading was 0.4, so adding 0.5 will bring it up to 0.9. Press the setting button one more time to lock to the desired setting. The readout should return to the original idling voltage. Now you're all set up.